Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Kaspersky app. So all you have to do, just click here on profile down here, then come to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, then come to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications, and you come to this list here, come here to notification categories. So then you come here to wake settings scan, click in this sign here or this color, like you see color it's gone. That's mean wake settings scan notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.